The thing I was missing wasn't the mindset. It wasn't getting the information like you all are here getting in the room. It was I didn't have enough money. They'll allow you to backdate about 2 years, so that's 24 months. So now for those of y'all who are new to credit, now you have payment history that can backdate and that'll help your overall profile. I have failed about 7 different businesses before the first one actually started. And the thing I was missing wasn't the mindset. It wasn't getting the information like you all are here getting in the room. It was I didn't have enough money. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna give you all a breakdown of how you all can enhance your credit score first. Then I'm gonna give you all some plays, some actual tangible plays that you all can run to be able to start going out and getting funding. Question, we family in here. How many of us have at least a 680 plus credit score? Okay, this is a good room. I like this room. You got a good room in here. All right, perfect. So the plays that I'm gonna give y'all are gonna apply to a lot of y'all, right? But what I wanna do first is I wanna go over how a profile should look, because a lot of us, we think it's about the credit score, but it's actually about your profile. Somebody say profile. Profile. And you're a rent reporter. Not only will they allow you to pay your rent and report that every 30 days, but they'll also allow you to backdate. So now you can increase that age. All right, they'll allow you to backdate about 2 years, so that's 24 months. So now for those of y'all who are new to credit, now you have payment history that can backdate and that'll help your overall profile. That makes sense? Yeah. All right, good. Next thing is that's important is our utilization, right? I see people that come to me all the time, Darius, I got a 700. But my utilization is at 35, 40%. Now, let me ask you something. If y'all found out I owe somebody all this money and I came to you and I said, can I borrow 20,000? What you gonna say? You probably gonna say, hell no, right? Right? The reason being is because why would they give you money if you haven't paid back what you owe? So if some of you are having utilization issues, what you all can do is you can go run a personal loan play. The reason why is because when we're going for business funding, they're looking at specifically credit card utilization. So if we go get a loan from, let's say, a SoFi, a Upgrade, or a Avant, those are some plays y'all can check out. They have debt consolidation type loans where you can take that money and be able to pay down your credit cards. So now you're back in the game and you're in position. We want to have at least 2 personal limits of at least $5,000, preferably 10 or more, because all that's going to happen is typically on the business side, what happens is they give you 2 to 3 times the amount of the personal side. So if I'm a business lender and I see you got Capital One for $2,000, Open Spark for $1,000, I'm not going to give you 30, 40,000 because I haven't seen that you've been able to handle big amounts, right? So what we want to do is we want to start with credit unions. All right, everybody say credit union. Credit union. All right, good. This is my favorite. All right, reason why is yours too? Yeah, yep. The reason they saying that because they're giving out that money, right? Yeah. They're giving out the money and they're a lot more lenient. So those data points I just gave you, that's a picture perfect profile. But if you're around those numbers and you go to a credit union, they'll probably bless you. All right. Second reason we love credit unions is interest rates. Interest rates are typically a lot better than our traditional lenders, right? And then the third reason is they are willing to work with you, right? So you might get approved for 25,000. You might go back, you might talk to your banker. I was really looking for, 30, 35. And what they'll do is they might not always give you what you want, but they'll meet you in the middle. All right. And then as a bonus, a lot of credit unions, they allow something called double dipping. So what that means, they'll allow you to get multiple products and they are going to pull from Experian. Yes. Yep. SERVICE. Yes, Experian. And you say you want to do 3 products? Yeah. Well, so I teach product stacking. So if we want the maximum amount of money, yep, they'll allow you to get up to 3 products with the one. She's like, that's a lot. Y'all good so far? This making sense? Yeah. All right, cool. All right. The third play I got for you all. Now, this one I keep in my bag with Marvin. He told me to come speak, so I got to over-deliver. All right. So this one's Justice Federal Credit Union. Now, the reason I love this credit union, y'all, we talk about 0% interest for 18 months. Oh, wow. Right. 0% interest, 18 months, y'all. Are they nationwide? Yeah, nationwide. Yep, nationwide. Yep. All right, personal loan goes up to $50,000. All right. Line of credit goes up to $40,000. Everyone know the difference between the loans and the lines of credit? Yes. Okay.